Did you know that oregano is not only a fragrant herb used in cooking but also holds significant health benefits for the female reproductive system? Yes, that tiny sprinkle on your pizza, pasta, and spaghetti does more than just enhance flavor, it can be a boon for your health. Oregano, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, has been revered for centuries as a culinary delight and a natural remedy. Today, let's dive deeper into its many uses, particularly its benefits as a tea and its role in supporting overall health. Oregano is packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which boast powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. For women, oregano may help regulate menstrual cycles, alleviate cramps, and even support hormonal balance. These properties make it a natural choice for those seeking holistic remedies for common reproductive health concerns. Oregano is loaded with antioxidants which protect our cells from free radical damage. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, which plays a major role in aging and chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. By adding oregano to your meals, you're not just enhancing the flavor but also giving your body a natural defense boost. Its essential oils have potent antimicrobial and antiviral effects. These properties can help the body fend off harmful bacteria and viruses, making oregano a natural ally for staying healthy during flu season or when you feel a cold coming on. Oregano contains compounds like beta-caryophyllene, which help reduce inflammation in the body. This is especially beneficial for managing chronic conditions like arthritis and respiratory issues such as asthma. Regular consumption could be a simple way to support long-term joint and respiratory health. Oregano stimulates the production of bile, aiding in the digestion of fats and promoting a healthy gut. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties help maintain a balanced gut microbiome by keeping harmful bacteria at bay. So, the next time you enjoy a meal with oregano, remember that it's also helping your digestion work smoothly. Packed with potassium, calcium, and magnesium, oregano contributes to healthy heart function. Potassium, in particular, helps regulate blood pressure, while magnesium and calcium are essential for maintaining a strong and steady heartbeat. Its high content of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K plays a key role in building and maintaining bone density. Incorporating oregano into your diet is a small but meaningful way to support your skeletal health. Make sure to watch this video all the way through, your health is priceless. And remember to subscribe to support the growth of our community. When applied topically, oregano oil can help address skin conditions like acne or fungal infections due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Early research suggests that oregano's compounds may have anti-cancer properties, helping inhibit the growth of cancer cells. While its culinary uses are well known, oregano can also be consumed as a tea. Steeping fresh or dried oregano leaves in hot water creates a comforting drink that supports digestion, boosts the immune system, and promotes respiratory health. It's particularly beneficial for soothing coughs, colds, and sore throats, making it a favorite during the chilly months. Studies have highlighted oregano's potent antioxidant capacity, which combats oxidative stress and supports cellular health. Research also indicates its antimicrobial effects, which can fight harmful bacteria and fungi. A study published in Frontiers in Microbiology emphasized the efficacy of oregano oil against various pathogens, underscoring its potential as a natural alternative to synthetic antimicrobials. While oregano offers a plethora of benefits, moderation is key. Excessive consumption may lead to digestive discomfort or allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before using oregano supplements or essential oils, as their effects in high doses are not fully understood. Oregano is more than just a culinary hero, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. From its role in supporting the female reproductive system to its widespread use in combating infections, oregano has earned its place in both the kitchen and the medicine cabinet. So, the next time you enjoy a slice of pizza or sip on a warm cup of oregano tea, take a moment to appreciate this extraordinary herb and all that it has to offer. We hope you found our content valuable and that it helps you improve your well-being. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess. Thank you for tuning in.